Our letter this week is letter P, and the sound that P makes is p, p. And when you write capital P, our poem for capital P is pull down your pencil, then pick it up, and finish off with a half of a penny. And then lowercase p, pull down your pencil, pick it back, or pull down your pencil, pop back up, finish it off with a little p. That's how we form capital and lowercase p. So just a little reminder, since we haven't had homework for a few weeks, just choose an option to practice capital P and an option to practice lowercase p. Or if they have a activity that they love that isn't an option, they can always do that activity instead. Just take a picture of them doing their homework and message it to me through Dojo. Our first option is writing P in salt or sugar. Another option would be building capital and lowercase p with Play-Doh. Also remember, have them do this a few times so they get a little repetition with it. And then popcorn P. So we're going to do that this week in preschool. Anytime food's involved, they seem to really enjoy it. So in this picture, they have a P drawn out. You don't have to draw one out. They can just lay it on the table or counter, wherever you're working with them at. And then our last option is always our handwriting page.